Your PC just crashed with error of 0xC000021A, and now it won't boot. Don't panic. Here are 7 proven methods to fix this right now.
This error means a critical Windows process has terminated. Specifically, either Winlogon, which manages your login, or CSRSS, which handles core system operations, has crashed. When the kernel detects this failure, it immediately triggers a blue screen to protect your system. The most common causes include corrupted system files, bad driver updates, registry damage, and hardware failures.
Let's start with the easiest fix. First, force restart your computer 3 times during boot to enter the Windows recovery environment. Then navigate to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and open Command Prompt. Type sfc/scannow with the offline boot directory parameters. The System File Checker will scan your entire Windows installation and automatically repair any corrupted system files it finds. Once it's done, restart your PC and check if the error is resolved.
If sfc alone didn't work, run the DISM tool next. DISM stands for Deployment Image Servicing and Management. First, run DISM with the Restore Health option to repair the Windows Component Store from Windows Update servers. Then, run sfc again. This time, sfc can properly fix files using the repaired component store. This 2-step combination is one of the most effective fixes for corrupted system files.
If the BSOD started right after a Windows update, uninstalling that update is your best bet. In December 2022, update KB5021233 caused widespread 0xA000001A crashes across millions of devices. To fix this, enter the Windows recovery environment, go to Advanced Options, select Uninstall Updates, and remove the latest quality update first. If that doesn't work, try removing the latest feature update instead.
System Restore is widely considered the most reliable fix for this error. Enter the recovery environment, select System Restore from Advanced Options, and choose a restore point from before the error started. The process takes about 15 to 30 minutes. The good news is that your personal files, documents, and photos are completely safe. Only recently installed apps and drivers will be removed.
If your PC only crashes when drivers are enforced, try this diagnostic trick. During boot, press F7 to disable driver signature enforcement. If Windows boots successfully, you've confirmed that a faulty driver is the root cause. Then open Device Manager, look for devices with warning icons, and update or roll back the problematic driver to permanently resolve the issue.
A failing hard drive can also trigger this error. To check your disk health, open Command Prompt from the recovery environment and run CHKDSK:/F/R. This command scans your entire system drive for bad sectors and file system errors, then attempts to repair them automatically. The scan may take 30 minutes or more on large drives, so be patient and let it finish.
If none of the previous methods worked, resetting Windows is your last resort before a clean install. Go to the recovery environment, select Reset this PC, and choose Keep My Files. This reinstalls Windows from scratch while preserving your personal data. All installed applications will be removed, but the BSOD error should be completely eliminated.
Now let's understand why this error happens in the first place. The 6 main root causes are: first, a critical process crash where Winlogon or CSRSS terminates unexpectedly. Second, a bad Windows update that leaves system files in an inconsistent state. Third, corrupted system files from a failed backup or installation. Fourth, driver conflicts from unsigned or incompatible device drivers. Fifth, registry corruption from aggressive cleaner tools or manual edits. And sixth, malware infections that replace or infect critical system executables.
To prevent this error from happening again, follow these 6 practices. Keep Windows updated, but wait a day or 2 after major releases. Create system restore points before installing new software. Only use drivers from official sources. Run disk checks periodically with CHKDSK. Use reliable antivirus software to protect critical files. and monitor your hardware health with tools like Crystal Disk Info for your disk and Memtest86 for your RAM.
That's everything you need to know about fixing BSOD ErrorFixer 0xC00000000 system should now be fully repaired. If this guide helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe for more tech fix tutorials, and drop a comment below letting me know which method worked for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.